Sideways and so basically you just pull a little bit and lock. Yeah. So upshift, downshift, but usually they don't have a lot of gears, and then the handbrake. So when we're going, our big boss of McLaren. So
when we're going real fast, just pull that handle and see what happens.
no. Bom, galera, agora ó, o cara que é um pouco famoso, um pouco doido, Kevin Pastrana me chamou pra andar de passageiro no carro com ele. Vocês sabem como é que eu sou de passageiro, então vamos se... Estamos aqui com a câmera do capacete. Vamos... Assiste aí. I am going to shit my pants.
Next is you, Lauren.
Yeah, here. Me caguei.
Peraí.
Let's go! Thanks for coming, buddy.
Thank you.
You got a two-seater McLaren?
Oh, we have a yes. You need to go. I'll get it.
Yeah, that's payback, right?
Thank you. That was awesome.
Yeah, little high temperature.
Yeah.
My bad. Yokohama tire smoke is good for the lungs. It's got like no traction.
Drove zero, man. I was like,
Yeah, wherever you want to go. Hey, thanks for going with me,
thanks, bro.
buddy.
Thank
I want to
you.
go with you on something.
Yeah, we'll do it.
How was it?
That was awesome. Pô, velho. At the end there, he did like 6 donuts. I was like, started to get dizzy. Mano, fiquei muito tonto. A bexiga pra c***. Quero aprender essa p*** agora. Ele pediu pra andar de índio comigo, vai dar vergonha. He's like, hey, I'm gonna be embarrassed to take it.
Yeah, I know. I was like,
Sorry, I took you a little closer than I took most of the people. I apologize. That's fine.
It was fine until you did whatever 7 donuts there. I was like,
Oh, my bad.
I know that's what I'm saying, but no,
All-wheel drive, yeah.
I wasn't like, I was just wasn't ready for it. We put up for that long. Right? So every time we put it in, I was like, 3 seconds and come back. But it was fine. You know,
I wouldn't give passengers a bad yeah.
well, it's always like that. So I rode the two-seater as a passenger in front of me. Tô vivo. Como diria o meu mecânico ajudante de kart, morrer as orbas.